Hello everyone, I hope you are all fine and doing well. In today's video, we are going to learn why your laptop battery decreases even when the laptop is turned off. This usually happens because the fast startup feature keeps some system functions active in the background, which can slowly consume battery power. So, let's fix this problem step by step. First, press the Windows button plus S on your keyboard. Now type Control Panel and open it. After that, click on Power Options. On the left side, click on Choose what the power buttons do. Next, click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. Now, under the Shutdown Settings section, uncheck the option Turn on Fast Startup. Finally, click on Save Changes. That's it. Now your laptop battery will not drain quickly while the laptop is turned off. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the WUH Creator for more useful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.